reviving a classic with a modern twist. Today, we're exploring the stunning 2025 Chevrolet Nova Super Sport. Buckle up as we take you through its retro futuristic design and roaring performance features. First up, the front design of the Nova Super Sport. The car features a bold, assertive stance with its angular LED headlights that pay homage to the 70s style while providing cutting-edge illumination. The front grille is sleek, dominated by black mesh and bordered by sharp chrome accents, suggesting both luxury and aggression. Moving to the sides, the Nova SS boasts a low, elongated profile with beautifully sculpted lines that enhance its aerodynamic capabilities. The 20-inch alloy wheels with a classic 5-spoke design add a touch of nostalgia, complemented by modern performance tires. Around the rear, the car doesn't shy away from flaunting its muscle car heritage. It features a prominent spoiler and dual exhausts that not only look spectacular but also enhance the car's performance by reducing back pressure. The taillights are a modern reinterpretation of the classic Nova design, using LED technology to create a signature nighttime visual. Inside, the interior of the Nova SS is nothing short of spectacular. It combines luxury and technology seamlessly, with leather and carbon fiber finishes. The dashboard houses a state-of-the-art digital instrument cluster and a large infotainment screen that supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Under the hood, the engine is a masterpiece. The 2025 Nova SS is powered by a 6.2-liter V8 engine, tuned to deliver an exhilarating 450 horsepower. Coupled with an 8-speed automatic transmission, it promises not only explosive acceleration, but also a smooth, responsive driving experience. In conclusion, the 2025 Chevrolet Nova Super Sport is a stellar combination of past and present, designed to captivate both classic car enthusiasts and modern speed seekers. It's a testament to Chevrolet's commitment to innovation, style, and performance. Enjoyed this deep dive into the Chevy Nova SS? Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome car reviews. Give us a like if you love the Nova, and share this video with your car-loving friends.
(2025) Chevrolet Nova Super Sport. More than just a muscle car. Introducing the 2025 Chevrolet Nova Super Sport, a thrilling blend of performance, style, and innovation that redefines what a muscle car can be. While it pays homage to its classic roots, the Nova SS is ready to make a bold statement in the modern automotive landscape. At first glance, the Nova SS captivates with its sleek and aggressive design. The sharp lines and muscular stance evoke the spirit of classic muscle cars, while modern touches like LED headlights and a streamlined profile give it a contemporary flair. Available in a variety of striking colors, the Nova SS is designed to stand out on the road. Under the hood, the Nova Super Sport is all about power. Equipped with a choice of a high-performance turbocharged engine or a robust V8, this muscle car delivers exhilarating acceleration and an unforgettable driving experience. Advanced engineering ensures that the Nova handles with precision, whether you're cruising down the highway or tackling winding roads. Inside, The Nova SS offers a perfect blend of comfort and cutting-edge technology. The driver-focused cockpit features premium materials and modern amenities, including a state-of-the-art infotainment system with smartphone integration. Spacious seating and thoughtful design elements create an inviting atmosphere for both driver and passengers. Muscle car. It's a versatile performer that fits seamlessly into everyday life. With ample trunk space and practical features, it's ready for everything from weekend getaways to daily commutes. The 2025 Chevrolet Nova Supersport is set to make waves in the automotive world, proving that muscle cars can be both powerful and practical. Get ready to experience a new era of performance and style with the Nova SS.